know, this will be something that you don't see every day. I know some other guys that have some restored pickups and stuff that have gas engines, and I just wanted to stick out, be a little different.
So that's what we started with. We had the 06 LBZ chassis and 68 Suburban body.
The goal for the Suburban is to be usable every day. That's why we went with the Duramax platform. The thought for my project really started after I had seen Ryan's truck finished, and seeing his truck really kind of inspired me.
It's a little bit easier than doing a pickup truck like what I did with mine, being that it's pretty much one complete body, a unibody kind of style. So we pretty much just get it set down on the frame as low as we can, do a couple modifications to the floor pan and the rear second row seating area. We get the body off the original chassis. We get our new chassis shortened to the length that we want it to make the wheelbase work. We get our body mounts, our replacement OEM body mounts. We put them on the body, and we build these brackets essentially up to the body mount.
Finishing up these two mounts, doing the start passes on them, and then I'm going to start back where I started originally, make my way around through once everything's cooled off.
And the barn doors are pretty cool too. You don't see a lot of them that had the barn doors. You know, I mean, this wood floor is solid. You know, it's painted orange. You could tell that's the way it was from the factory.
Legally altered pull truck is a 76. We did put a motor in a 1-ton 76 chassis with the 76 body. And then I have my C10, 1970 C10 on an LBZ chassis, which is really similar to what this is, and it actually worked out really well. We were able to pull my truck in next to this one and see, okay, this is how we did it here, and it saved us a lot of time. So a lot of guys are really interested in it. A lot of guys are doing it on their own, you know, in their own shops, their own garage and stuff like that. And yeah, there's definitely a lot of cool things that can be done with them.